Thursday to you, everyone. It's Region Weather Meteorologist Matt Wintz. Hope you guys are doing well. I mean, we're almost through the week, right? Thursdays can be a little tough getting going after that routine, but I'm sure you've got this down. Cup of coffee ought to do the trick. Weather-wise, we've got our storm system coming our way this weekend, and that's what we've got our eyes on. We've got a rainmaker around here, but we also have some wind that will be with us as well, a true fall storm system. I mentioned a couple of weeks ago on our live Sunday evening that October's a month that we start to bring in wind makers around here. The systems get active again. We have deeper areas of low pressure, and that's what we'll have. So let's time it all out for you. Here's our low right now. This is that same low that was in Southern California last couple days. This thing is now heading into the northern tier of the country. I mentioned yesterday as well, there's going to be a branch of energy that kind of tears off of this and forms a new area of low pressure. And it also comes in combination with this trough you see digging out of areas of Western Canada. That will kind of swing and get a low pressure going. And so here's kind of what it looks like on radar today. No problems whatsoever. We do have some clouds around this morning. We'll give way to sunshine. It's a beautiful day out ahead of us. Tomorrow looks mainly dry as well. Here's today. Notice how we've got a few showers and storms north of us as a warm front slides through. I do expect us to stay dry from that. Northern counties will keep an eye on it. Overall, we look good, though. Wind starts to pick up. It'll be breezy tomorrow afternoon. Most of the day's dry. And then by Friday evening, you see we just got just a smattering of some showers on radar. Most areas, again, dry for Friday evening plans. We can't rule out an isolated shower or two as this frontal boundary starts to interact with the region. Doesn't look like much on radar, right? But by Friday night, storms will start to develop down towards Missouri and Kansas, and that will be the start of this second wave of low pressure, which is the one that brings us the rain and the wind. It'll be a totally new storm system kind of off the old one. So here's what the latest model run looks like. I think we'll be dry Saturday morning, but then midday hours, that's when the rain chances start to increase. Could have a line of storms move through as well. It doesn't look like a complete washout on Saturday. I know the model kind of looks like that, but we'll likely get a break sometime in there as well. If you have Saturday afternoon plans, though, do plan for rain. I mean, we are going to have rain on radar. It's going to be hard to dodge it for multiple hours throughout the day on Saturday, but not a steady rain where you're, inside all day. And then we'll likely, with the low pressure, get some kind of final round of storms Saturday, probably evening into the overnight hours as that low pressure heads off towards the north. The wind will start cranking, though, and by Sunday, the wind is really cranking up as well. Late Saturday, Saturday night, and Sunday, that wind, you're going to notice it heading up into the 30-plus mile per hour range. We'll have lingering showers around here on Sunday, mainly early in the day, and then we'll clear out. But it's going to be much cooler around here on Sunday with highs probably not getting out of the 50s versus the 70s, and the humidity out ahead of that system on Saturday. Monday, we would dry out, and then another strong area of low pressure rips in here Monday night into Tuesday. We'll likely have some rain with that, some strong winds, and some cold air behind that as well. In terms of that severe threat, it has come north a little bit for the Storm Prediction Center. Notice we've got a marginal risk across many of our southern counties. I don't like borders on these lines, but bottom line, we'll have to keep an eye out for perhaps some stronger winds out of some of these thunderstorms Saturday into Saturday night. Mentioned the winds. These are going to be system winds. Friday, we're into the 20s in terms of gusts, so a breezy day. Saturday, notice how we start with fairly decent breeze, and then we really ramp it up as we head into Saturday evening, and then Saturday night into Sunday. There's your strongest winds, especially Sunday, 30, maybe even 40 mile per hour gusts coming off that lake. The waves will be big out on Lake Michigan. In terms of temperatures, they take a dive. We go from 75 or so on Saturday. The Euro saying 64 on Sunday. I think that's generous. That'll probably be right after midnight. I've got us in the upper 50s for highs during the day. And notice we get another shot of even cooler air next week. We've been highlighting this for about a month now, where we've been looking at that cool down sometime between the 18th and the 21st. We've been saying, well, it looks like it's going to be more towards the 21st, but some cool fall-like air certainly heading our way later next week. Enjoy your Thursday, everybody.